Quick video on the rear, replacing the rear wiper on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is a WK2, diesel, Laredo, doesn't matter, it's all gonna be the same. Okay, real simple, the little plastic piece, pull that up. That lets you pull the wiper arm up. Simple hinge, lean it forward, and pull it out. Ta-da! Put it back in, you put that over that, put it down and down. That's it, it's not going anywhere. But that's the important thing. You want to just pull the sides open, pop it up. And that is how you replace the wiper blade on a WK2 Grand Cherokee.